Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Las Vegas, there was a builder by the name of Lennar. They built a beautiful home. It's called the Morgan. It's located in Summerlin. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not going to do this whole video like that. But today we do have a video by Lennar, and it's coming up for you next. Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you enjoyed that little light intro that I had there. I do enjoy doing stuff like that every once in a while. Can't keep it all serious all the time, am I right? But at any rate, my name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at builder model homes, just like Lennar today, as well as existing inventory, and have real estate discussion from time to time to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. I do hope you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we are touring through a home that's built by Lennar Homes. So you know everything is included. I've done a video previously on Lennar Homes and I discussed what everything included means to them. I'll put that in a card right up above over right that way somewhere. And the model we're touring today is the Morgan. It is located in the Westcott Community up in Summerlin in the Stonebridge Village. Located on a really nice sized lot is this 2,099 square foot home featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and 2 stories. Make sure you stick around for later in the video. I'm going to be talking about what parks are close by, what's walking distance, what do you need to drive to. But make sure you stick around for that later. But as for now, let's get this tour started. Come on. All right, guys, welcome back out to Summerlin here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we are taking a look at the Morgan plan. If you missed it in the intro, the home statistics will be popping up on the left as well as the floor plan. You do get an option of 3 different elevations on this home. If there is stone, such as this model, which is the Model B, will be included. You get some really nice coach lights. You'll see them underneath the garage right there. This home was used as the office for this community. That's why you're seeing the windows on where the garage would be. Normally you're going to get a insulated garage door where those glass windows are. You're also going to get the pavers on the walkway and the driveway, as well as a ring doorbell. The landscaping in the front will be included and complete with a drip irrigation system that runs straight into the backyard. This model does have a nice front porch, it's very welcoming. Helps the delivery man keep your packages a little bit more secure too, keeping them around the corner out of sight. Headed inside, you're going to be welcomed into a really warm greeting here. You have the stairwell with the mission style railing on the left there. There is going to be carpet throughout the home with the exception in the entry, the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathrooms. There will be 3-inch molding throughout this home as well. I love how it's open to the top there. Gives it a nice big open feel. Nice color that they chose throughout this home on the walls is almost like a burnished clay. Has kind of a tan gray look to it. Really neutral, but very, very easy to use. Beautiful wood look laminate. You could definitely upgrade that at the design studio if you chose to have it throughout the home like they do here. Just to the left there is a coat closet. It does wrap around to the left there underneath the stairs for extra storage, and then the garage is just on the right there. It is a really nice size 2-bay garage. It is 19 foot 1 by 20 foot 1. You're going to get a 50-gallon tankless water heater, a soft water loop, and the walls are going to be completed out there, meaning they're going to be painted. A lot of builders don't actually do that for you. Looking over the great room here, it is 13 foot 2 by 10 foot 6. The dining room is 10 foot 2 by 7 foot 6. You do have the covered patio out back there with a barbecue stub included. The kitchen here is going to be included with the GE stainless steel appliances, which include the dishwasher, the refrigerator, the double oven, and the stovetop. You're going to get a dual basin stainless steel sink with granite countertops, and a 4-inch backsplash that matches the countertops. The backsplash that they did install in this home is an upgrade. I really do like it. It has a really nice clean look to it with the dark grout on the white tile and the herringbone pattern. Very, very pretty. Real nice long countertop there too. There's the pantry. It does go pretty deep back there. You got plenty of room for storage. In the great room here, you're going to get the flat screen included, meaning there will be a pipe behind the wall there to run your wires so they're not dangling down. Headed over into this first bedroom downstairs here. It is 10 by 10. They have it set up as an office. It is a standard sized room and the closet is standard as well. And then just around the corner here to the left is the bathroom. They have it built out as a 3/4 bathroom with the shower. If you wanted, you could opt to have a shower tub combo, making it a full bathroom. And then there's going to be a standard size vanity in there as well. One more look over the great room here, and then we'll head on upstairs. Alright guys, welcome upstairs. You're initially greeted into a smaller area right here. I don't know if it's quite big enough for a desk, but myself, I would probably put a children's play area there, or if you don't have any children, maybe just a small decoration, or even just a chair for sitting. Headed into this first bedroom here, it is 13'5" by 11'8". This bedroom does feature a Jack and Jill style bathroom that shares with bedroom 3. It's a really nice sized closet. It's a little deceiving. It looks standard, but to the left and the right, it does go in a little bit further, meaning there is some wall space. What I did in my home, I actually put shelving down the sides on each side. Actually made the closet a lot more functional. There's a bathroom here that's shared with bedroom 3. You get a dual vanity with a wall-to-wall mirror there. And a private water closet that has the shower tub combo as well. A couple other features of this home: you're going to get 9-foot ceilings downstairs, as well as pest control built into the walls. You're going to get chrome hardware throughout the home. You could upgrade that at the design studio if you chose to. I personally like the dark brown or the black hardware. It adds a really nice classy look to it. Along with the Ring video doorbell, you're going to get a smart thermostat as well as a quote-unquote command center where you're going to get the Cat 6 Ethernet ran throughout your home, and you're going to have built-in Wi-Fi as well. There is a water filtration system under the sink at the kitchen that will give you some really nice drinking water. You're also going to get a radiant barrier roof, and here in Las Vegas that helps out a lot to keep your attic a little bit cooler by reflecting that heat away. Coming down the hall here, we're going to come into the laundry room. This is where the quote-unquote command center will be for all your Wi-Fi stuff. You'll have a gas hookup for your dryer as well as a shelf above. You can upgrade that to cabinetry at the design studio if you chose to. Again, you're going to get tile in here, 17 by 17 inch ceramic tile. And then headed into the primary suite here. This bedroom is 14'5" by 17'2". It does feature 2 walk-in closets along with the master suite bathroom. Just to wrap up the rest of the features in this home that are really notable, you're going to get faux wood blinds throughout this entire home. That is a really nice included feature to have already. It is a very big expense when you first move in to add the window coverings throughout the home. You're also going to get rocker switches throughout the home. I know that doesn't sound like a big deal, but when you have to upgrade all that yourself, it actually adds up very quickly because you don't really realize how many switches you have throughout your home until you need to upgrade them. In the master here, you have the private water closet, as well as the dual vanity and separate shower tub combo with the fiberglass. Really nice size walk-in closet there, much bigger than the second. But that's going to about wrap it up for inside. Let's go ahead and head on out to the balcony. This community does feature really nice mountain views, and if you're lucky enough, you're going to get a strip view as well. Lennar can't guarantee that you're going to get a strip view because a lot of these lots are built alongside each other and just don't feature that view. This particular model, because it's built above the rest, you're going to get that strip view. Keep in mind as well, they did finish the backyards with pools in all three of these models. That will not be included. It will be a blank slate when you move in. The sprinkler system will be ran to the back to help you out a little bit, but that's going to be about it. Lennar also does feature a really nice warranty, a 1-2-10 warranty. They offer their own financing. They have their own escrow and title, as well as homeowners insurance. Alright guys, let's get started with the second part of this video where I'm going to go over a lot of the outdoor activities to do here in Summerlin. If I do miss anything, let us all know in the comments below. I want to check this stuff out too. But Summerlin does feature 29 plus parks, and that is growing as they expand more into Summerlin West and into the custom area more further south in Summerlin. Most of these parks do include these following features: a playground, a splash pad, baseball, softball field, basketball courts, soccer field, some volleyball courts or sand volleyball, tennis courts, pickleball courts, and of course shaded seating. They are nicely decorated with lots of trees and grass areas, so it makes it really comfortable, really nice to hang out. Some of the parks do include specialty features. The Vistas Park does include a football field, the Trails Park and Pool, the Arbor Sports Park, the Willows Park and Pool, and the, I'm probably going to butcher this name, but the Fias Park and Indoor Aquatic Center all have their own pool. There's actually also zip lines here in Summerlin at Reverence Park and Fox Hill Park. Both those parks are very big, very beautiful parks, and there actually is a Frisbee golf park at Fox Hill Park as well. As far as the trails here in Summerlin, there is 150 plus miles of trails up here. The Howard Hughes Corporation was awarded the American Trails Developer Award in 2008 by American Trails. This is actually the first private company to ever win this award. The trail system does connect to over 2,000 miles around the Las Vegas area and is expanding further into Red Rock. Some of the popular trails include the Cottonwood Trail, which is an easy trail with a few variations how you could walk it. It is a 3.1 at its shortest one direction and about 6.5 miles out and back if you do take a little bit of the offshoots. The Hualapai Canyon Trail is a really easy, nice, quick loop at 0.8 miles, and you could just go around in circles there. If you like to run, I would recommend that spot. Another trail that is a little bit more focused on biking is the 215 Beltway Trail System, also known as the Neon Trails. It is a 12.4 mile one-way on the Western Beltway, which starts at Tropicana and ends up in Centennial. There is some nice variation in the elevation. Even still, it is considered easy to beginner intermediate. They are continuing this trail up around the north part. This is the North Beltway Trail. They're adding 7 miles from Centennial all the way over into North Las Vegas. Some of this has been completed, and as they complete the Centennial Bowl, it'll be extended further out as well. On that 215 Beltway Trail, they do have the Summerlin Half Marathon that starts at downtown Summerlin, and they also do the Tour de Summerlin, which uses part of the Beltway Trail as well. As I mentioned before, a lot of these trails are being extended out into Red Rock, and a lot of the bicyclists like to ride out to Red Rock. You are welcome to enter Red Rock Canyon on your bike. It is $5 per person, same with pedestrian. A car truck entry is $15 per, a motorcycle is $10 per, And they also have the America's Beautiful Pass, which will allow you into any of the state parks or national parks. It is $80 per year per adult, or $20 for a senior for an annual pass, or $80 for a lifetime pass if you're over 62. If you are active military, you actually get in there for free. If you'd like more information on Red Rock, including all the trails and things to do around Red Rock, the visitor center, things like that, get updated entry fees, feel free to visit their website. Another thing I want to mention too is all around Las Vegas there's things to do, not just in Las Vegas proper or Summerlin proper, but there is also the Mount Charleston area and Lake Mead area. What I would recommend is actually picking up a book. I will put a couple links in the description below to go check them out yourself. I personally like A Foot and Field, Las Vegas and Southern Nevada hike book, and it's only $7.42 over on Amazon, and it is offered in Prime. They are on their second edition, which was released in 2010, so it's a little old at this point, but even still is all relevant information. It's about 288 pages and includes over 100 hikes all around Las Vegas and into the desert areas as well. Well guys, what did you think of this tour? Did you enjoy the model? What about the parks? Do you live locally? Let us know what your favorite park is. Do you have a recommendation for a video for me? What about a specific tour or something to do around Las Vegas? Let me know in the comments below what you want to see me do. If you have any friends or family that are interested in a home like this, make sure you let them know. Share this video over to them, as I know they would find very good value out of this. And Lennar is offering very good incentives. If you're interested in this home, make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me. Happy to help you out setting up that tour just for you and your family. If you did enjoy this tour, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. Also, I'm going to start uploading some pretty cool content such as shorts and interviews, things like that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of that information that's coming to you. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out today's tour. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.